So we're down here in the real basement of a real homeowner who has a real problem.
This problem seems to have started outside, really. Phyllis has a couple concrete slabs out there, especially in this area of the wall, that are leaning in towards the foundation. Whenever you have something like that that can cause water to build up on your foundation wall, weight is added immediately and it begins to cause problems over time.
Is it typical for a homeowner to come down and see this level of damage, or what should you look for?
Hairline cracks, it always starts small. A problem is never this big overnight. And it could even be upstairs. You're hearing pops in your house as you're trying to sleep in the middle of the night. You're wondering, where the heck did that noise come from? A lot of times it can be very small movement where you start to get small hairline cracks like this that over time will develop into much bigger cracks if not taken care of.
Is there a way to know if it's just going to stop there?
Especially with block walls or stone walls as well, they're mainly always growing. Once those cracks open up, it allows water in. As soon as that wall starts filling up with water, it's extra weight and it normally does not get any better.
All right, so how do you fix it?
Yeah, so when you have a bowing wall like this, there's a couple different options you can take. If this problem was caught quickly or on the front end of it, you would have the option to do maybe carbon fiber strips, save a lot of money, and maybe take care of the problem before a water issue also occurs.
Sure.
When a wall gets this bad, we're gonna need to go the option of either putting up braces on the wall, which is our steel I-beams right here, or we also have the option to do anchors, which in this situation, braces works out much better for us.
What does a repair like this do to the value of a home?
So sometimes customers do it to add value to their home and take care of something while it's early on, but a lot of times it's more to maintain value of their property so they can at least sell their home or continue to live comfortably.
So if I got it right in my mind's eye, these braces are going to go all the way down and then you're going to start to tighten them. Is that going to be sufficient to push the wall back where it belongs?
In this situation, it will be minimal because one, the situation was caught late on, but two, we're not in a great setup outside to do a wall pull back here. But once these cast in place footings dry, we will be able to come in periodically, whether it be once every few months, once a year, and we'll be able to torque these braces down to pressure. Over a long period of time, it will get a small amount of movement.
Great. Well, it won't get worse.
It will not, no. We can guarantee stabilization with these braces. Definitely better to give us a call very early on before your problem gets this rough.
That's worth repeating. The moral of the story is,
make sure you call us when you notice this versus once you have this.
it's a good moral. Got cracks on your walls? Go to groundworks.com/Rowe and subscribe for more Go Below with Rowe content every week.